Hi, we have a very interesting subject for this video. Okay, let me ask you a question. How many of you think that you still write any of your serious problems or challenges on the paper after your schooling in college maybe? Many of us don't, right? At least in the earlier days, people used to write diaries, but in this fast world, we even stopped writing diaries. Many of us, few people do, but not everyone. Yeah, not most of them, like it used to happen in the early days. I'm going to give you a nice technique. It's called as mind mapping to work on your challenges, major challenges, core challenges, or to address any of your problems. Okay. So, how does our brain work, you think? It doesn't work in a linear way. It has multiple associations. It works multi-directional. When you think about something, it goes to multiple directions. It finds different associations, different components, and tries to associate with it. But what happens when we try to speak out, or when we wanted to come to a conclusion? We finally stick to 1 or 2 or 3 points maximum. Because the brain inside works in a multidirectional way, but when we think about any problem or challenges, we finally conclude to a very few solutions. Because we don't do mind mapping. If we are going to create a Google map of our challenges, Google map of our problems, and work it on in a similar fashion the way our brain does inside, you're going to see a miracle of solutions. You're going to admire yourself. Wow, do I have these many ideas and concepts? I never knew about it. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to give you a sample. I'm going to work on the spot on the mind mapping technique for one of the challenge for many of the people. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it works, and you could try applying this for many of your core challenges, the things that you think I'll definitely be not able to do, or how do I do it? So you could try this for those things. Okay, we'll get into work now. Yes, so the first thing which I've heard from many people is how to lose weight. When I ask you this question, what do you say? I will cut on my junk, I will eat fruits, I don't know, there's a lot of things to do. I'll try to do one by one. This is the answer, generally answered by many people. Okay, let me apply the mind mapping technique and I'll show you a different way to approach this problem of losing the weight. Yes, so our main problem or challenge now is to lose weight. Okay, now what all do I get to know if I think about lose weight? One is I think the food. I'm just making note of it, and next I think about yoga, and then comes gym maybe, yeah, and then yes, sleep is very important factor. So I'm just going to make note down, and then I get motivation, which I really need when we start losing weight. Yes, and then stress again. These are the points which I think when I think about lose weight. And now I'm going to zoom in my Google map now of mind mapping. So sleep, I think early to bed will help me. And when I think about gym, I think I should call the gym, yes, and check about the rates. And then when it comes to yoga, I think about, yes, I know yoga, I'll do it at home. And then food, buy fruits regularly. Have a habit of buying fruits on every Sunday, maybe. And then when it comes to stress, I would like to watch comedy clips. I'm just writing it down right away. And when I remember writing down the comedy clips, I remember that I should not eat while I eat the comedy clips, while I watch the comedy clips. Yes. I'm done with my quick mind mapping. As you can see, we have the lose weight is the center problem. I have just made a note of it. And then as you can see, the motivation, sleep, gym, yoga, food and stress was the first things that came into my mind when I thought about losing the weight. And then when I talk about stress, it struck me that I have to watch comedy clips and not eat while watching comedy clips. And then I have to call the gym. Yes, then yoga. Yes, only then I remember. Yes, I do yoga. I have to do it at home, and then sleep early to bed. So this is a small notebook, and it's just a minute or two that I spent on mind mapping to show you this. If you're going to have a bigger book, a little more time, maybe 2 more minutes, and then just when you write this, your brain would give you thousands of associations. You will have many more, these arrow marks, and many more words would come to your mind, many more ideas and concepts would come to your mind. What I would request you to do is, once you have a wonderful mind mapping of your challenge or problem, stick it onto the wall at home. So the next time, daily, while you're going to have a look at the paper, your brain is going to feel happy that there is someone here who's just thinking like me, multidirectional, and it's going to give you more ideas. So while you start having a look at the paper regularly at your home, that would push you to take steps to resolve your problem. Okay? Try this out and share your results. Thank you.